Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are popular terms in this era. And knowing what it is and the difference between them is more crucial than ever. Although these terms might be closely related, there are differences between them that you must understand. Well, in this video, we will be focusing upon explaining you the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning so that you do not get mixed up in them. So, well, stay tuned for the part 2 of our Machine Learning 101 Basics. Now, let's start the video with understanding what is artificial intelligence. Now, humans have long obsessed with creating AI ever since the question, can machine think, was posed by Alan Turing in 1950. Now, artificial intelligence enables the machines to think, that is, without any human intervention, the machines will be able to take its own decision. Now, it is a broad area of computer science that makes machines seem like they have human intelligence. So it's not only programming a computer to drive a car by obeying traffic signals, it's when the program also learns to exhibit the signs of human-like road rage, right? Now, what are the different types of artificial intelligence systems, right? AI systems are classified by their ability to imitate human behavior, the hardware they use to do so, their applications in real world, and the theory of mind, right? So using these features for comparison, all systems of artificial intelligence fall into three types. The first type is ANI, which is artificial narrow intelligence. Now, artificial narrow intelligence is also known as weak AI, and it is the only type of AI that exists in our world today. Now, narrow AI is goal-oriented and is programmed to perform a single task and is very intelligent in completing the specific task that it is programmed to do. Now, some examples of ANI are Siri, autopilot in an airplane, chatbots, and self-driving cars, right? So narrow AI systems are not conscious, sentient, or driven by emotions as humans are. They use information from a specific data set and do not perform any task that is outside of the single task that they are designed to perform, right? The second type is AGI, artificial general intelligence. Now, artificial general intelligence is also referred to as strong AI, and it is a concept in which machine learnings exhibit human intelligence. Now, in this, the machines have the ability to learn, understand, and act in a way that is indistinguishable from a human in a given situation. So the general AI does not currently exist, but has been used in many sci-fi, Hollywood movies in which humans interact with machines that are conscious, driven by emotions, and self-aware, right? So using strong AI, we can have the ability to build machines that can think, they can strategize, and perform multiple tasks under certain conditions. Now, they can integrate their prior knowledge in decision making to come up with innovative, creative, and unconventional solutions. Well, the third type of artificial intelligence is called as ASI, which is artificial super intelligence. Now, I am sure you remember Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator, where a machine's cognizance superseded human intelligence in all aspects, right? So, artificial superintelligence is a hypothetical AI where machines will be capable of exhibiting intelligence that surpasses that of the highest of humans, right? So, in this AI, type of AI, apart from having multifaceted intelligence of human beings, machines will have greater problem solving and decision-making capabilities that will be far superior than human beings. Now, it is a type of AI that will give great impact on humanity and may lead to extinction of human race from the planet. Well, these are the three different types of AI. Now, what is machine learning, right? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, right? That uses statistical learning algorithms to build systems that have the ability to automatically learn and improve from experiences without being explicitly programmed. So most of us use machine learning, in our day-to-day life, when we use services like recommendation systems from Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, when we use search engines like Google and Yahoo, or when we use voice assistants like Google Home and Amazon Alexa, right? So in machine learning, we train the algorithm by providing it with a lot of data and allowing it to learn more about the processed information. So ML algorithms can be broadly classified into three categories, which is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Well, to watch detailed video on all these three aspects, please watch our part 1. The link of it has been linked above, right? Now, once you have watched that, let's quickly move towards what is deep learning. Now, deep learning is a machine learning technique that is inspired by the way a human brain filters information. Now, right? So it is basically learning from examples. Now, it helps a computer model to filter the input data through layers to predict and classify information. Now, since deep learning processes information in a similar manner as a human brain does, it is mostly used in application that people generally do, right? So it is the key technology behind driverless cars that enables them to recognize a stop sign and to distinguish between a pedestrian and a lamppost. So most of the deep learning methods use neural network architectures, so they are often referred to as deep neural networks, right? So deep learning is basically mimicking a human brain. It can also be defined as a multi-neural network architecture containing a large number of parameters and layers. Now, the three fundamental network architectures in deep learning are: number one, convolutional neural network. Now, what are convolutional neural networks, right? So CNN is basically an artificial neural network that is most widely used in the field of computer vision for analyzing and classifying images, right? It is a deep learning algorithm that takes the input image and assigns weights or biases to various aspects of or objects in the image so that it can differentiate one from the other. The second type is recurrent neural networks. Recurrent neural networks is a type of neural network architecture that is used in sequence prediction problems and is heavily used in the field of natural language processing. So RNNs are called recurrent because they perform the same task for every element of a sequence, with the output being dependent on the previous computations, right? So another way to think about RNN is that they have a memory which captures information about what has been calculated so far. The third type is recursive neural network. So RNN, a recursive neural network, is a kind of deep neural network created by applying the same set of weights recursively, right? So over a structured input to produce a structured prediction over variable size input structures or a scalar prediction on it, right? So a recursive neural network is more like a hierarchical network where there is really no time aspect to the input sequence, but the input has to be processed hierarchically in a tree-wise fashion. Well, this was the basic differences between AI, ML, and deep learning. I hope this video was simple enough for everyone to understand. Do hit that like button, do hit that subscribe button, and more videos will be on your way. You'll be notified every time one video is out. Thank you so much.